Welcome back to another journal entry. Let's talk about breathing for a second. Okay, so now if you look at a baby, if you watch a baby when it breathes, because we all started out breathing a certain kind of way, and then we were conditioned to breathe a different kind of way, which caused a lot of health issues. So let's see what we can do to help breathe the way we naturally are supposed to. So if we take a breath, if you were to take a deep breath right now, okay? So if I were to take a deep breath, so right now, if I do this, okay, all right, that's incorrect breathing, okay? It's incorrect breathing as well. So anytime my chest or my shoulders or arms, any of that raises up, okay, that means that I'm breathing incorrectly. Where I want to be breathing is from my diaphragm or my lower dantian. This is where I want to be breathing from. If you look at babies, that's exactly how we all started out. We came into this world breathing from our diaphragm naturally. So here's an exercise you can do to restore or to remember how to breathe correctly. All you need to do is lay on the floor. Lay on the floor, okay? And then you can get a mat or something. Okay, what you want to do is lay down. Okay, get you a book. And we're going to play pretend for a second. Pretend there's a chair right here. Okay, we're going to lay down. Put your feet up on this chair, just like that. Okay, get you a book. It ain't got to be heavy. Okay, set the book on your stomach, just like that. Just lay down and just breathe normal. Just breathe normal. What that's going to do is, as you breathe in, this is strengthening your diaphragm because it's going to make the book go up. Okay, so when you breathe in, your stomach should come out. And then when you breathe in, your stomach should go in. Okay, so it should look just like that. Just watch a baby. When you see a baby, when they're sleeping, when they're breathing, their stomach should be doing that. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to make it to where your diaphragm now is going to be breathing, or you're going to be breathing from your diaphragm as opposed to breathing from your chest. Okay, breathing from your chest, that's actually not good. It's not good for your heart. Okay, you need to get more oxygen to circulate throughout your entire body. Okay, so that's why you have to breathe from your center. Okay, if you breathe from here, it puts a lot of pressure also, not only just on your heart, okay, but it's going to put a lot of pressure like on your lungs. Okay, so your lungs, they need to be relaxed. Okay, so your lungs need to be relaxed. So if you're breathing from here, from your center, you're going to be getting plenty of oxygen that's circulating through your whole body. So you can practice this exercise whenever you like. You can do it when you're watching a movie. You can do it when you are just hanging out with people. Just do it like 5 minutes a day to re-strengthen that diaphragm, to recorrect the breathing. So when you take a deep breath, remember, your stomach should come out. You can do it from the side as well. All right, so watch my stomach. Okay, so the stomach will come out and then out. And it deflates. So none of this should move. The sides and none of this should come out. So when you take a deep breath, it shouldn't be, remember, it's all down here in your lower dantian, okay? So this will help you restore your diaphragmatic breathing to wellness, okay? Ashe.